for you?
Get two of those boxes right there. There's 42, 47.
The which one?
No, the blue ones right. Yeah, those two.
You said two?
Uh-huh.
Alright, two boxes with 9004.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thanks for your help. Hey YouTube, it's Buckbuster coming at you. It's Friday, November 27th. Just wanted to share with you a score I got today. I noticed last night on AmmoMafia.com that my local lit up with these 800 round range packs, and looked like they got 2 cases in. And well, let me back up. This was Wednesday night that they got them in, and I knew they'd be closed yesterday, so I was going to go down there first thing this morning and see if I could extract them. Got down there to the store, got back to the paint department, did a flint scan. It was showing 7 in stock, so I knew somebody had already been into them. But when I got back to Sporting Goods, there wasn't any on the shelf. So I went and found a manager, because that little dweeb guy that always crashes my ammo real hard, he was working, and I knew he'd just tell me they didn't have any, like he always does. So anyway, I got the assistant manager, showed him what I was after, and he called another manager, and she came back there, and as soon as we showed her, she called the guy that works there, and he came over and says, yeah, they came in, but I didn't know where to put them. Anyway, she said, how many you want? And I said, I'll just take all of them. And she got on the radio and asked some guys, is there a limit on ammo now? And I heard the guy go, yeah, 3. So I said, well, there ain't no nothing posted back here in the Sporting Goods. And she said, well, they just started it, and she'd make sure that there was a sign posted. So anyway, I got my 3 this morning, and when I was talking to that guy, he said he'd been there since 4:30, and I asked him, I said, dang, what time you get off like that? And he said 1:30. So I thought I'd try to get back down there after he left and see if I could double dip. And I ended up not getting back down there till about 3:30. But I went back and flint scanned, and it was only showing 2. So the footage you saw at the beginning was the transaction of the last 2. But here's a tag for the first 3. They come in at 42.47, and there's the last tag for the last 2. Notice these are showing up in several Walmarts, so if you're in the market for some, be on the lookout. There's the barcode. And there's what the case box says. Did get one of the cases, but all in all, not bad. 4,000 rounds. I'll take it any day. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for now. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Appreciate you watching. Talk at you later. Buckbuster out.